Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of laptop memory, and I've got a gem to share with you. Introducing the PNY Performance 8GB DDR3 1600MHz laptop memory. This right here is the cream of the crop when it comes to DDR3 laptop RAM. Let's break down why it's the best choice for your portable computing needs. First off, let's talk tech. PNY's performance memory boasts DDR3 technology, offering blazing fast speeds and reliable performance for your laptop. With a frequency speed of 1600 MHz, you'll experience seamless multitasking and smooth operation, whether you're browsing the web or running intensive applications. But wait, there's more. This memory module isn't just about speed, it's also incredibly versatile and efficient. PNY Performance Memory is designed to be compatible with a range of laptops, ensuring hassle-free installation and maximum compatibility. Now, let's talk performance and reliability, two crucial factors when it comes to laptop memory. With a low voltage of 1.35 volts and a latency of CL11, this memory module not only delivers exceptional performance but also operates efficiently, minimizing power consumption and heat generation. In conclusion, if you're looking to supercharge your laptop's performance, look no further than the PNY Performance 8GB DDR3 1600MHz laptop memory. With cutting-edge DDR3 technology, optimal compatibility, and enhanced performance, it's truly the best DDR3 8GB laptop RAM on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech products. Until next time, happy computing!